Why you fail in trading. 1. Unrealistic expectations. Let's start with the biggest trap, thinking you'll get rich overnight. Meet Sam. He just watched a YouTube video titled, How I Made $10,000 in a Week with One Trade. He thinks, easy money? Count me in. Sam deposits $500 into a trading app. First day, boom, he makes $50. Now he's dreaming big, yacht, Lambo, quitting his job. But then, the market moves the other way. No strategy, no stop loss. Sam loses it all. Trading isn't a shortcut to riches. It's a skill. And like any skill earned, it takes time, patience, and practice. Number 2, no trading plan. Most people jump into the market with no strategy. That's like sailing with no compass. Imagine you're dropped into a foreign city with no map, no GPS, and no idea where you're going. That's how most people trade, blind. It's like joining a soccer match with no idea of the rules, the teams, or even the goal. How do you expect to win? Trading without a plan is like driving to a new place with no GPS. You might get lucky, or you might get seriously lost. It's like baking a cake without a recipe. Too much risk, not enough direction. And the result? A total mess. Number 3, emotional decisions. Fear and greed take over. You chase the highs and panic at the lows. Some traders panic at every little market dip, like someone pulling the fire alarm over a burnt toast. When prices spike, greed takes over. You chase it like a magnet, but by the time you buy in, it's already falling. When emotion takes control, you stop thinking and start reacting. Trading with emotion turns the market into a casino, and you're betting, not investing. Number 4, overtrading. You trade too often thinking more trades equals more profit, but really it just drains your account. Some treat trading like a video game. The more buttons you press, the more fun, right? Until the game over screen hits. Overtrading gives you a quick high, but then comes the crash. You're buying and selling like a shopaholic on a Black Friday sale, but instead of bargains, you're collecting losses. You jump in and out of trades so fast you never let a single one work. Overtraders hate waiting, but in trading, patience pays more than action. Number 5, ignoring risk management. No stop loss, all-in trades. One mistake, and you're out. Going all in on one trade is like putting all your chips on a ticking time bomb. Trading without a stop loss is like skydiving with no parachute. Exciting, until reality hits. It's like building a castle on the beach and ignoring the tide. Risking everything on one trade? That's not investing. That's gambling, with your house on the line. A small loss can be stopped, but without risk rules, that spark becomes a wildfire. Number 6, lack of education. Trading isn't gambling. If you don't learn, you burn. Without learning the basics, you're just guessing, and guessing isn't a strategy. It's like trying to fly a plane after watching one YouTube video. You wouldn't mix chemicals without reading the labels. So why trade without knowing what you're doing? Many want trading results, but skip the homework. No study, no skills, no success. If you don't learn how to use the tools won't help you. The solution. So how do you stop failing? Simple. Be patient. Make a plan. Master your emotions. Manage your risk. Keep learning. Like, share, subscribe for more tips.